Welcome to my channel, People Media TV. Today, we will discuss many things when we say me and you need. We will help us grow fast for this YouTube matter. Yes, because me and you, we need them all. I know say it's not easy, but by the grace of God, it's easy for me and you. Yes, because we now cooperation, I matter, unity. You know, you when just start yesterday, me when just start now. Even those when they prepare to even come join us. Now the series, now the series, we need to understand that. We need to understand that. You know, people they talk about how people say they make money for YouTube, how people say they get paid for YouTube. You know, not truth, but you need to be aware of the process, this process. Now, long way for you to start earning from YouTube. Now, long way because not be a day job, no, not be a day job. Not let person deceive you, because many people somebody just deceive them say if you just start YouTube today, before you know it, you just dey make am, you just dey do this, that. Now lie. No, YouTube is not like that. YouTube is not like that. You need to pass through many things, understand the policy, understand how this thing dey work. Some people just enter YouTube today, they start, you know, they don't even understand how the YouTube self to the work. Before you get copyright claim, copyright strike, you need to understand those things. You know, for the past decade now, many people don't lose their channel. Many people don't lose their channel. You know, because any little thing like this, if care is not taken, you post, you get a kind video when you the kind title and thumbnail when will lead to community strike. Many of us we don't understand how community strike they work. Those are the things that we need to understand, because it's not easy for somebody to build channel for years. At the end of the day, the channel got disabled. That is error. So we not pray may something like that happen to any of us. So YouTube now a good thing. You know, the world when we did now, everybody want to get YouTube channel. People eyes just they open now because they know say this thing money they come from it. Yes, it's true, but stress see they need to see understand the stress. You know, say this thing so not be waiting the way I talk about before now, so it be you. Imagine you need to always create time. You know, no matter how busy when you dey, you must always create time to make sure say you see do 1 or 2 video, edit and upload them. So you know if you just say because say you are too busy, you abandon your channel. More you stop to the upload, more your channel they decrease. You know what that means? YouTube watch hour, not they ever they stand. Either they go up or they go down. You know they remain one place. No, either they go up or they come down. But by the time when you stop to the upload, it will go down. As they go down, so it they affect your channel negatively. So that is why you must try. You know, that is why you must try to make sure say. So as we dey discuss, if you're just tuning in, just hit the subscribe button. This talk show is free. It's open for everybody. We need to always help ourselves. We need to always, you know, encourage ourselves. You know, you can drop your question at the comment section. Let's tell us your challenges so far being a YouTuber. We want to hear your side because people still learn from your own side. You see, it's not easy. Just like as I talk since, it's not easy. And it's just patient and if you are not patient, you know if you succeed for this YouTube. Because many things they will go discourage you. Many things they will discourage you. Many things they will discourage you. But if you are not patient, if you succeed. And another thing again, some people believe say now when they start to the end, then they will start to spend money for their YouTube channel. More, if you have equipment, it will make YouTube day easier for you. I'm telling you. If you get equipment, it will be very easy for you. Some people believe, okay, as I never get money, as I never earn, so no need to spend money put. No need to spend money put. If you already they buy data, now money you take buy that phone when you use now. One of the greatest investments, safe, as far as I'm concerned. Now YouTube, I'm telling you, people don't really understand how this thing work. Anything when you spend now, you get a times 100. Because now future something. Tomorrow is there. Tomorrow is your channel did there. Next year your channel did there. Now your content. If we decide not to upload now, you not concern anybody. If we decide to upload tomorrow, you not concern anybody. Now your content. So sometimes you need to spend money, buy some needful things when you need. For me, before my first channel monetized, before the monetization, me already did spend money. I buy PC, I buy other things maybe say I need light, LED light, Without that, for you to create content, it would hard you. Without equipment, it would hard you. We need to understand these things. If you really know where they go, try to get those things when you need. Maybe say go visit help your channel. Go visit help your channel, give you quality videos. Because it's very important. Plus, if you just visit your channel today, if you see the way the channel be, you don't like to visit again. But if your channel they okay, it will instantly you go subscribe. Instant, it will subscribe to you. And as a YouTuber, if you never dey win subscriber, you never start to. If you never wake up and maybe you just check your channel, you see new subscriber without unknown person. If your unknown person never dey subscribe to your channel, you never start. It's not just about sub to sub. Even YouTube, they are against it. If you no get alternative, if they do me, help me, I help you. My sister, my brother, you don't go anywhere. What if you help me, I help you? At the end of the day, you can finally monetize. It don't go sit there easy for you to get views. Because that time, your earning, they can't. I'm telling you, your earning, they can't. You they consider how you wanted they shoot videos, they make videos, you see they consider how you want to get views. So you must get alternative. If you be say you do any group won't be say now I do for you, you do for me. You must get alternative. That is the only way. If you not get alternative, man, you go just stress up. You know, you just stress up. If you not get alternative, a month finish like this. Money when you get no will reach 20 euro. You know, then for your mind and monetize. You know, what if you monetize and the money is not coming the way you want it? That is why you must always work towards how you will get your views. Create content when we say it will attract audience. Create content when we say more people would like to watch the video over and over, over and over, over and over. You know? Not be content when we say somebody will enter your channel will regret. No. Content when we say somebody will watch, you would like to watch again. I don't check so many channels when they do tutorial. Many of them, even cooking tutorial, they get the way till they do. Is it not better? All those ingredients, you name them, you know, focus on the editing, you know. So they will do the cook itself, you know, they will understand what they do. Not just they do us. Make I tell you, my fellow YouTubers, when they cook normal cooking, different from when they do tutorial. This one is not just about you want teach person how to make cake, how to prepare stew, how to it different from the way you tell the do one when you did when only you dey do one for house. But if you want make the world dey see am, maybe as you dey do one as a tutorial, so there is a way you take edit those videos. That is why some of those related channels, when you get the same niche with wetin many of una dey post, some get 1 million viewers, some even get 2 million viewers. You know, before you start any tutorial, you first of all name those ingredients. Write them, name them, you know, name them, give them better title, caption. Say, this is called called like this. The name, you know, step by step. But many of them they do anyhow. The way when person no fit, the way when person no fit understand and until they do it. How you will expect somebody call your channel one layer, how you want to arrange fried rice. Get it to your channel itself. It can't even confuse more. As in, the thing not even dey understandable. So that person now got to do another research. Maybe you can go see another channel, maybe say, he explain it well. You need to work on how you take the explain things. It's very important. You need to work on that. Explanation matter a lot, my sister. It matter a lot in whatever tutorial you are doing. Explanation, it matter a lot. The way you explain it, it matter a lot. It will make people to understand that. That video, you are not doing that video for yourself. Many people say, most of those videos when they do now, and I say that they do it for. Only you cannot watch yourself. Any content when they try any of your content now for viewers, audience, yes, because anybody can watch them. From the day you remove them from private to public, Anybody can watch them. Anybody can watch them. So you need to work on the way you do your videos. You know, try to work on your editing skills. It's going to help you a lot. So we need to understand that. You know. So not be I want to teach you how they do this. You just rush. You know, rush. No. Like I said before, competition don't do this industry now. If you check, if you know how many channels when they do food tutorial, there's plenty. There many. Over many. Wait till you think say you want to do stuff. People don't do 1,000,000 times. So you need to use different style, different pattern. You know, in a way we say, people will see come your channel, they will watch your video, they will still like your video. If not, you're stuck in one place. Many of us they complain, our channel don't grow. Which effort do they make on daily basis to make sure say your channel grow? Which effort? Many of us, we know they do research. Many of us don't know what to be research. You just believe, say, they get YouTube channel, they upload. No, it doesn't work that way. The more you research, best way they do research, they're always a day ahead. If you now be 10 in number in a group, say, all of them are YouTuber, you when they do research, now you they always the top. If you feel say that app when they edit so now be the best. Another one don't come out when be say that thing will be say you know they feel they use that one they do. That one that they do one. So more research, more this thing is easy for you. I'm telling you, more research. The thing no just disappear come meet you like this. If you try not do research. Because research can tell you, you will know what you do on board. You know, you see some people video, you ask yourself, how did they edit this video? How you tell they do this video? But through research, you will understand. This is a new app when they use now. This is a new app when they use now. Just like me now. My new app when they use now is CapCut. That application is too good. I will recommend that application to you guys. When I go download that for Play Store, CapCut. You know, that application is too good. You know, it's good for editing. You know, it's good for editing. In short, good. It's good for editing too. You know? So, that's for that. You see, this race, you know, it's all about patience and determination. Many people, they started this YouTube with me. So don't throw away their own. But me, I sit there. So you need to tell yourself, say, I must succeed. We have come to succeed. Not be to just come, say, we don't tire. We come to succeed. Despite the policy, you know, everyday policy, I know, but we have come to succeed. So you need to always tell yourself, you know, if one niche don't work for you, change it. Change it. You don't do on one niche for a year. You see, say, it don't work for you. Change it. Switch it to another one. You feel do video reaction. Video reaction. It's nice. You only do one niche for years. Change it. If you see say na only one channel you get, create another one. Get alternative, get backup. Backup is very important. At least get backup channel. Get your main one. In case of necessity, because anything can happen. Get a backup. As you build this one, in your leisure time, when you feel like, so just upload for this one. You give this one different niche. If it's surprising, that your backup self, with no time, now you go fair blue. I'm telling you, I don't try him, but he work out 100%. He work well. So no iterate any channel, because if you just even your video self, if you just post one year video now, before you wake up, just here, viewer everywhere, like everywhere, comment everywhere. You go there like, what did they happen? See this video when I'm not able to say you will blow. I tell you, the day when now one video, now they cost, now they game changer for your channel. One video. Every channel get this thing. I will call it now. Get the backbone. Every channel get backbone. You get video when you delete for your channel now, your channel don't collapse. So you get video when you delete for your channel now, your channel is gone, don't collapse. So we never can tell the video when you make your channel blow. YouTube video recommend that video every minute. You receive views from different region, from different country, Now so it's always be. But it's all about determination. It matters a lot. YouTube not good for lazy people. YouTube not good for lazy people. If you dey lazy, stay out of YouTube. Yeah, pack your load. Pack your load like this, because YouTube not be for lazy people at all. Not be for lazy people. Sometimes it will take you like 5 hours to edit your videos. You see, they edit your video. The editor. You can finally edit and finish. Even sometimes, error comes in day. You re-edit again. Sometimes the video will do somehow. You go to do another video again. Start all over again. They edit. Finally, you are done. Okay. Now, let me go and create a good thumbnail. Maybe thumbnail again. Just spend like 1 hour for thumbnail. That is almost close to 7 hours. Maybe 6 hours. Okay, everything is ready now. You don't post it, you don't upload them. Your mind, this video was okay. I love this video. This video, as you upload the video, finish. As a break, when you check your video, you see 3 view for the 3 view. 3 view. So I know say nobody will go day that position where you will be happy. After you have spent almost 7 hours just to edit one videos, and after you have uploaded the video, expecting to see see your video in a different dimension, you're going to see 3 view, 2 view, 3 view. Man, that is very bad. That is why we are here today. We need to tell ourselves how we fit move forward. We need to tell ourselves what we know, where we fit stay help us. Maybe we know that they're selfish to our brothers. Maybe we know that they're selfish. Now they say industry, all of us did. Now they say platform, all of us did. Now they say go, me and you they pursue. Why you would they hide something from me? Why I would they hide something from you? Now they say go with the pursue. Why you would they hide something from me? Why would they hide something from you? Now they say go, me and you they pursue. Be your product keeper. It's a privilege for you to even show person. At the end of the day, that person succeed with what you show her. He goes, he can't tell you. Yes. We need to relate with ourselves. Because you see this YouTube stuff, so one man of it do alone. Because many of us, we don't know anything before. Now small we dey learn out. Small we dey ask questions. As we dey talk, it's good to always create good content. Content will be say, even 5 years from now, you'll see the end from that content. Many videos will be say, would they go to search for tutorial. You know, I want to grow for YouTube. I like to do this. I like to do that. If you check most of those videos, some don't they there for like 6 years, 7 years. People see they search those videos, they watch them. You know? Sometimes it will even reduce stress for you. Imagine now you just, you know, your content just go viral. You get like 200,000 views. Even though you not post for like a month again, that one just cover up. But if you be the type when we say you want to go bedroom, you buy soap, you upload them. You buy cream, you upload them. You want to go outside, you upload them. You want to go shopping, you upload them. You know? I'm not saying it's bad, but you know, what me they try to tell you, they say, oh, you see those videos, so now as you take upload them, now so you just stay there. See those videos, so those videos not be weighty people really need. You know, sometimes we need to create content when we say, you know, we have to follow popular demand. Content when we say people they search. That is one of the only way we fit succeed for this white tea. You see this white tea, so it's very difficult. It's very hard. It's very hard. And many of us, you know, they want spend time. Everything in hurry, you know. Just video around. Even when you did church, you know, just video, upload. You just buy a new shoe, you upload them. You know? All those content when you do the upload for like how many months now, for like years. When you don't upload those content, after a week, go check the content, whether it grow or be it know they grow. So we need to understand those things. The Oyibo then they understand this YouTube more than us. That is why many of them go in there. Tutorial, none of them they do. Tutorial, Nigerian they do. Tutorial. Because they understand the YouTube pastors. Many of them go check their content. Hardly you will see any of their channel will be say, you know, blue. You want blow, you want succeed, and they upload rubbish. Yes, we need to tell ourselves the truth too, because not only the truth will help me and you. Somebody just think a few days ago, one of my friends called and tell me, say, just for your fellow YouTuber to show us some secret, they demand big money. They demand big money. Sometimes your old friend like this, maybe say, you with and they close well. You can't decide to hide something from her because they not pay you. End of the day, the person can't get to discover that thing by itself. I'm not sure say that friendship would exist again. You see this YouTube things when they do so. Many of us don't go through a lot. Some don't even invest they have money just to make sure say they reach where they did now. Imagine buying of equipment now. It's not easy. Everything don't increase. Everything don't increase. Today we will discuss some of the challenges. In case you're just tuning in, we will discuss one of the challenges where we say most YouTubers for Nigeria they face. The show is open for you. Just drop your comment. See, tell us one of the challenges when you see the face. Maybe one or two persons will still learn from you. The show is open for everybody. May I share some comment? Yes. How can somebody get monetized in 3 months? That is one of the questions here from John. How can somebody get monetized in just 3 months? John asked that question. If you want to get monetized just 3 months, it's possible. Now your effort, because more your effort, more. If you are the type where we say you dey upload video maybe once in a week as a beginner, go dey easy for you to just start up channel and monetize that channel for like 3 months. They possible. If you want to monetize your channel for that 3 months, you have to be consistent. Drop like 3 to 4 videos in a week. Yes, I think that would be okay. Drop like 2 to 3 videos in a week. I think that would be okay. You will also use other alternatives to make sure say your view they come. Like Facebook is okay too. You can share your content to Facebook. Another thing again, you try to make all your content dey original. Because by the time you complete 4,000 watch hour, you reach 1,000 subscribers. If you get copyright claim, it will disturb you. If you get reused content, it will disturb you. So it's possible for you to achieve your goal in just 3 months. It's possible. Depend your determination. Depend your hard work. Another question again. How can we get this one is coming from Jude. How do we know how can we avoid reused content? This one is coming from Jude. How can we avoid reused content? How can we avoid reused content? Reused content na killer on you, na destroyer on you. Reused content have frustrated a lot of YouTubers. Could be small, could be big. You know, some people just believe say to just start YouTube channel, go another person's channel, download and upload, download and upload, download and upload, download and upload. No, not be like that. YouTube there against and where anything that have to do with reuse content, YouTube is against it. They are against it. You know how you can avoid, there's what they call fair usage. You know, there's what they call fair usage. If you want to upload somebody's content, at least you add some educational value. You know, fair usage, you talk about which is that video they talk. Maybe you want to use it for as well as use it for teaching purpose. You know, it's not just about you download the video, you re-edit it. No, you need to add some kind teach journal. You know, you can add voice to it. You know, talk about which is the video they talk. You know, that is the only way you can avoid reused content. If not, YouTube will tag that video as reused content. Many people, you may not know if you are uploading reused content until when you reach monetization. Now there you can say, reused content na killer. Reused content feel wound you. As you see message like this, say me you check out. They will say you are not accepted. Why? Because of reused content. You know, reused content, copyright claim. You know, all those things. You have to avoid. You have to avoid. You have to avoid. You have to avoid reused content. It's very bad. So another question again. This one is from Derry. This one is from Derry. Please, can you recommend good app that I'll be able to make a good quality thumbnail? Yes. It's very simple. There are a lot of apps there that you can use to make a good, attractive thumbnail. Like me, you can use Canva. Canva has a free plan. Just go to your Play Store, download Canva, and sign up. They have a lot of templates, more than 500,000 templates there. You know, when you will feel use edit, confirm thumbnail. When we say, as person see like this, they must like to view your channel. You can use PixArt, you can use InShot. For me, I use Canva, I use PSAT. PSAT is very good. It will give you a quality thumbnail where will attract your audience. So I will advise you, Terry, you go for Canva. Canva is okay. If you like Canva, you should go for Pro. With just a lot of small money, you can go for Pro. Because thumbnail is one of the most important things when we say many of us know even when we do underrate. Thumbnail is very important. Thumbnail they play a good role as far YouTube is concerned, as far your channel is concerned. Thumbnail they play a good role as far your channel is concerned, as far your YouTube is concerned. I remember when I newly did start then, about 2 years ago, I have no idea about thumbnail. I will just put anything when I like. I always use default thumbnail. With time, they do research. They try to. Then our thumbnail, not really they make sense that time. They make sense. But yet, there was a time I think I used P-Story. I used P-Story. I used P-Slap. Then I was using P-Story. Then I was using P-Slap. I used P-Slap where? P-Slap. I used P-Slap where? P-Slap is one of the best apps when you use for your thumbnail where? When you use for your thumbnail. Me, I don't use that. Me, I don't use P-Slap. Me, I don't use P-Slap. When you use for your thumbnail where? P-Slap, P-Story. So, for now, I'm using Canva. What is the next question? Yes. What is the next question? What is the next question? I have been rejected now for like 3 times after submitting my channel for the 3rd time. For the 3rd time from Omo. If you don't submit your channel for the 3 times, according to your write-up, say they reject you, it could be something wrong somewhere where you never feel detect. Maybe you submit your monetization, it was reject one. Secondly, reject. You need to check your content whether that na 100% whether that content is 100% yours. Because if you be say copyright claim your content when you submit your monetization, when you submit your channel for monetization, YouTube not will accept you. If you be say you use somebody content, they not will accept you. So you need to check very well. Sometimes after you don't check again, check, you see can discover say you get one when we say YouTube claim dey inside. When you get YouTube claim. So that is why before you submit your channel for monetization, you have to, don't be in haste. Check very well. Don't be in haste. Just check whether anyone will get copyright claim, anyone will get copyright claim, any video when we say you upload when not be your own, try remove am. Because if everything is okay, I don't see no reason whereby YouTube will not accept you. So you have to make sure you check your channel whether it's clean. Because sometimes copyright claim can cause some issue to you. So you have to check very well. Always check. You say you just submit your channel now for monetization for 3 times and they never accept you. You have to check your channel. Check your channel very well, because when you check your channel very well. Yes. I hope you are okay with that explanation. The next question. I'll be waiting for my pin now for 5 months. I have reset the pin on 5 times yet. I've not received it yet from Raphael. Yes, my first channel, I remember it was during pandemic that time. I remember I waited for like 5 months before I finally got my PIN. So what I will advise you, when you wait for 1 month, you don't receive am, you try reset am again. You reset am. Or you can just go through their you can reach them through your channel, because they are always available there. You fit chat with them, because you fit chat with them, ask them why it is delay. Because despite my own delay that time now, I wait for like 4 months before I can receive my own. I have to reset. I keep on resetting my AdSense. I keep on resetting my AdSense until I finally receive it. Well, now 2 self, they can't even say, can't give me self. Both the one they expect before, both the one I reset. So sometimes, you know, they come when you expect them, you still have to patient. You have to reset this thing. Reset it. When you reset this thing, when you reset your pin, your this thing, what do they call it? When you go through your AdSense account, there's a column there, and then you see where you fit resend. You just like you reset and you get where you fit resend down. You know, get where you fit resend down. When you resend down, they'll just like you apply for another one. So I think that method will work for you, because now waiting me use. Now waiting me use. I know say body don't dey hot like this. You know, sometimes after they don't monetize you, you see your small change account, you know, and you never get your PIN. Your body go dey get where your body go dey do you. Now we never experience am. I know if you talk. If you never experience am, you have nothing to say. But when we don't experience am, we know how it be. So that's for that. But another thing again, it's good. Maybe say we not just depend on one day I will blow. Because you see this industry, you cannot just depend only your power. Sometimes you need to carry God along. Because prayer works. You can apply prayer too. You know, apply prayer. You know, by that things will see the change. We are not in the era of one day I will blow, one day I will make a no. You can make it happen now. Depend how serious you are. Not be saying you post one video now, till next 3 weeks you post one video again. Then you will tell yourself, say, I will blow one day. I will upload for YouTube one day. You dey upload video twice in a month. There is no possibility say you will blow. When you upload two video in a month, no chance there now. Which chance? There's no possibility say you want your video go viral. If you are not ready, you are not ready. Let me tell you. Most people, when you say that they upload once in a week, their channel don't really big, they don't grow. But you maybe say you struggle for subscriber. The same time you struggle for view. You want to imitate those people. You got to upload. Over upload yourself. You know they're too much for YouTube. If it's possible, 3 videos in a week, it's still okay. 3 videos in a week, it's still okay. It will help your channel. Where? It will help your channel. I just see some people channel maybe say they will upload today till next 3 weeks. You know they go anywhere. I get friends like that when they always give us say hope. This channel I must. This YouTube I will make up. And they do anything. You just tell yourself say I will make up for YouTube. Why? They say they put effort. And this person, they take correction. They want to learn. So people like that, it will be very hard for them to succeed for YouTube. Because YouTube itself, not be for lazy people. YouTube not be for serious people. When we say they go, and another thing again, if you are looking for urgent money, I beg, run more for YouTube. Yes, we really need to tell ourselves the truth. This YouTube thing, what would they do? Not easy. If anybody tell you say easy, now lie that person talk. Before now, many people don't they reason, they try to ask question about this YouTube. Why many people just say they consider one or two other options, whether may they create, how they will create their own YouTube channel. One thing I will let you know, for this race, YouTube is not a place, where you just feel like I want create channel. You have to be ready. You need to be prepared. YouTube is not for lazy people. If you are lazy, I beg not join YouTube. Not go join YouTube because other people they join YouTube. Not go join YouTube because you just say they pay your friend. Not go join YouTube because you just say YouTube the rain now. Before you join YouTube, you need to first know the in and out of YouTube, because there is a lot of work to do. Many beginners don't really know how these YouTube things they work. Another thing again, you must try to invest something. Try to invest on your YouTube. Not be everything you just look. You find free. Not be everything be free. Try. If you don't get good phone, try buy phone. If you don't get You can just buy this lapel mic when we say it go boost your voice. Those are the things we need to know before thinking of having a YouTube channel. You know, before now, a lot of people don't abandon their channel. So they complain say YouTube not easy. After you don't do your video finish, go do edit the journal, upload them. Hope you say view. Hope you say you get view. You wake up like this, you say make you check your channel, not review. So many things when you discourage people for these YouTube things. That is why as a beginner you must learn how to be patient and hardworking. If you are not patient, you cannot make it. If you are not patient, you may end up losing your channel. If you are not patient, you no fit reach your goal. If you are not patient, you no fit achieve anything for YouTube. I remember that time when I did start my first channel. I think there was a lot of issue then. You know, many things were coming up. A lot of challenges. There's one of my friends who they always put me through. Anytime I ask a question, they always put me through. No time I will ask this guy a question when he will put me through. But along the line, because of the challenges because they face for your own channel, you have to sell it up. That channel was actually sold because the guy don't try to apply. YouTube see the tell and the same thing, that they bounce am back. Along the line, the guy tired. So, and one of the things we need to know, no matter the challenges when you face for YouTube, you must always try to be patient. You just wake up one day, you see people channel carry a lot of views, a lot of subscribers. You just get surprised. You ask yourself, how these people take get all these subscribers? How these people take get all these viewers? It is because they were patient. They started from the scratch, just like the way you started. You need to understand. Say you must be patient. YouTube not be overnight something when you just achieve overnight. YouTube not be something when we say they will pay you overnight. You just have to be patient. Keep on posting your keep on posting. Believe it, one day one of your videos must go viral. When your video go viral, that is the beginning of your success. Only one video can change your channel forever. Just only one recommendation. If you change your channel forever, if you change your channel, only one recommendation. But the question is that me and you don't know the video when will blow us. You don't know the video when will blow you. That is why you need to post all the time. Don't let the view when you get now discourage you. Don't let the subscriber when you get now discourage you. Because sometimes If you just look your subscriber like this, which day you will get 1K subscriber. My brothers and sisters, now that process. You see, most of these big channels when they see today, many of them started from this crash. They started from this crash. So if you understand YouTube, you discover say YouTube easy, the same time it hard. YouTube very easy when you understand YouTube itself. When you understand how YouTube to the work. Because anything you don't understand what they do, just be like say they waste your time. So one of the things when you will see help you learn how to do research. If you do research, you are always ahead. Research is very good. Research don't help me many times. As I did now, every day I discover new thing. Every day. No day when I don't discover new thing. Why? Because they always do research. Something when you say the best person may help you do. You discover say when you start to watch other YouTube channel, they do research. Only you will feel they do it yourself. You don't need help that time. Editing go dey simple. Everything will go dey simple. Now you will go dey teach other people. You need to learn how to do research. Very important. Research very important. It will help you well. It will help you well because many of us, when we say we just enter YouTube, start YouTube like that, we not know anything like that. Now when we come start to do research, we come to learn from other people. When we say they sabi pass us, we ask question. Always ask question. Ask question. Always ask question. Always ask question because now when you ask question, you go know the area where you need to improve for yourself. Maybe the wrong thing wey you dey do before. When you ask question, they will tell you say na like this they suppose to dey do am. You know, question is very important. If you are the type who no fit wake up at night do research, if you are the type who no wan know how YouTube dey go, your own is just to post, you no go far. Because it's beyond that. It's beyond posting. YouTube is beyond uploading. You need to know that. It's beyond posting. It's beyond uploading. It's not just about shoot video, upload. No, it's beyond that. If you business and so it be, it's for too easy for me and you. No.